G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 10, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. This is the daily chart, and we've drawn these diagonal descending and ascending trend lines, but also these key support and resistance lines. So the price has been trading in this range since early December, basically, and it's just been bouncing up and down within that range. The Stochastic has reached past, dropped down past the oversold territory and starting to make some potential turn up, although that's a pretty slow moving indicator we use. But the main one we use on is the CCI 1500, and we've got this moving average 400 on that CCI, and that's still a pretty strong decline with no real sign of making any upturn at the moment. On the 4-hour chart, looking more closely at the price and the indicators, that's been the indicator of the CCI has been running pretty flat, likewise the Stochastic. So it's been a bit of a roller coaster up and down between its moving average, and likewise the hourly chart has also been pretty flat and oscillating up and down between the moving average. Although notice the Stochastic, which is a pretty slow moving indicator for us, is reached the overbought and starting to turn down again. Now, one thing to notice is we generally take the overall trend of the CCI. The daily, as I said, is in a pretty strong decline. The 4-hourly has come down and resting on the moving average, and it may well punch through that later today. But the hourly has broken through that moving average to the downside. Now that we may see some continuous rise and falls of the price of oil, still bouncing in that range, or it may. The risk is on the downside, it may break that key support line there. So if it punches through there, we're going to see further declines of oil. Alternatively, we need to see it rise above that resistance line and break to the upside, and that by then we should see more positive movements to the upside as well on the CCI. And if it does that, we'll see the 4-hourly and the hourly break to the upside as well on the CCI as well. But at the moment, our CCI is our main indicator, if you like, of where it's going, and at the moment all three timelines are looking pretty negative in terms of price movement. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.